I'll be so busy, or you be so busy. What do she have on? Her leg front is all wrong. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
On top of this, I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Now with them shoes on.
Ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
She ratchet.
Damn, ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet.
Tell you what, I got my Miss Summer.
Girl, what?
Baby boy, and it came with her sister. I'm pregnant, but I hit the club. In the middle of the floor, no shoe. Woo woo! I put on jeans for my boots today.
Listen, bro. I understand what you're saying, but I'ma help them.
Okay.
What up, this your boy Emmanuel and Hudson. Follow me on Twitter at _coach and my little brother at Alright now. Today, this video is gonna talk about how ratchet girls. Oh my god, who let her come out the house like that?
OMG, what does she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone so to take this type of picture.
Cause she ratchet.
This girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
On top of this, I'm too grown.
See, you ratchet.
Boy, bye, them shoes on.
Because she ratchet.
Ew, I just want to push her in her face.
Ooh, she ratchet.
I can't stand her, she's too fake.
She ratchet.
Girl, let me get you Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy and it came with a sister. Pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoes.
What's
He took his time.
Yeah, I'm on it. Oh my god, that's